I love.
Hello.
Saan tayo punta?
Taco Bell.
We're going to try the first Taco Bell in Jakarta. So, let's go. Mukbang.
Nakasmile ako.
Yeah, ako din.
Nakasmile ka din?
Yes. Okay, Taco Bell. Pati mo naman yung mga televiewers natin.
Hello mga televiewers.
Tagalog. Indonesia.
Hi televiewers. We're here in Taco Bell. We're gonna try something new. We're gonna do mukbang this afternoon. We're actually smiling. We're very happy. Hindi lang masyado halata.
Yeah.
Excited na kami sa 10 orders natin. 10 orders. Here we go.
I don't know if we can finish it, but comment down below if you want Taco Bell. You might win a trip to Taco Bell, Indonesia.
True. Taco Bell it is. So for those who will comment down below, may free Taco Bell kayo. You have free Taco Bell. We're gonna bring you here and Jason will treat you.
Yeah. So comment something like what? Dongines Kitchen goes to Taco Bell.
Oh yeah, that's nice. So Dongines Kitchen goes to Taco Bell. So that's the hashtag. Hashtag Dongines Kitchen goes to
We're gonna
Taco
treat you
Bell.
what? 5 orders because the
5
maximum order
orders?
here is 5 orders of anything. Habang naghihintay tayo ng order, anong advice mas mabibigay mo sa mga nagmamahal?
Sa mga nagmamahal, kapit lang. Makaka-get over din kayo.
Nagmamahal nga, just get over.
Kung hindi
Bakit?
sila mahal.
Hindi, pag mahal muna, mamaya na yung hindi mahal.
Okay. Sa mga nagmamahal, pakasal na kayo.
Sa mga nagmamahal ng patago.
Sa mga nagmamahal ng patago, masasaktan din kayo.
Oh, ano ka ba? Sa mga nagmamahal ng patago, itago nila. Mag-pray muna kayo.
Ayan.
Bago ang lahat.
Okay, pray.
Pagka lalaki ka, mag-pray ka muna, tapos kaibiganin mo, yun ang the best.
Kaibiganin.
Siyempre, alam ko naman, malay mo, di mo talaga gusto yun, tapos niligawan mo, kaibiganin mo muna para alam mo kung gusto mo or hindi, tapos pag-pray mo. Ikaw, ano masasabi mo sa mga babaeng nagmamahal ng patago?
Sa babaeng mga patago dyan. Ay! Sa babaeng mga nagmamahal ng patago, tago nyo lang. Okay lang yan, tago-tago. Pero mahirap magmahal ng patago eh.
So, dapat, palabas.
Palabas. Para medyo obvious.
Ganun? Madalagang Pilipina pa rin daw. Pag-pray nyo pa rin.
Oo. Pero...
Tapos, itago nyo lang. Ano yung mag-first move yung lalaki. Okay. Thank you. still. Right, first Lord, thank you for this food. Let's just put this nearby. One more pan. Whoa. Classic chicken taco. Compared to Taco Bell Philippines, they have the same taste, I think. So I don't know with other countries, but Philippines this tastes like.
So it's the same. And this is the only Taco Bell here in Jakarta. That's why sometimes you have to queue or for a very long time, right?
But luckily, there's no queue today. Because I think it's still early, 2 p.m. and what? Thursday.
And it's Thursday. It's really good.
This is chicken.
Do you think we're gonna finish this all?
Maybe, maybe not.
We really prepare our tummy for this. We did not eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner yesterday. Dinner last night. No dinner last night for us.
It's like I was able to get away from the 5 limit order. I don't know if they have order limitation, but I ordered 7 and then you ordered 5. We ordered 12 in total, so
12 in total.
so
This is
we had combination of tacos and fries for side dish. So that was chicken tacos. We'll go find one. Oh, here. This is beef soft tacos. So, I think so.
roast.
Oh, this is beef soft tacos.
How about this?
Currency. Oh, that is chicken strip. Can you show them? Chicken strip. Chicken strip. Something. I'll just put the name of the order there. I like the soft taco more than the crispy, but yeah. It is good.
Super yummy.
I think the meat here are more spicy than in the Philippines because people here used to eat spicy, so I think they made the meats more a bit spicy than they usual.
Super nice. Happy tummy after this. I don't know if we can walk or even stand later. We'll find out.
Oh, this is great. So, watch out for more restaurant mukbang because we seldom get out of our house. We will do our mukbang in the restaurant itself. So, yeah. guacamole, and a little bit of meat.
So if we're gonna try to finish these all, what's your advice? Should we drink? Should we drink every after our meal, or put drinking aside?
This is French. They usually, so we'll just bite into this and then give the half to my wife. Are you ready? Look at this. Half of my face. I haven't really eaten this full, but yeah. Chicken.
So going back to my question, what's your advice? If we wanted to finish everything,
Drink less, of course. It's a naked taco. Right? So, chicken breast, they made it as a taco and then put in the garnish, the vegetable and everything. So, yeah, eat it with it. Oh, taco.
another taco. Come on, join us. All of these, we're gonna forget about Taco Bell.
So, this is the second French. I think this is the beef French. So, just bite into it. I like this better than the chicken, but
What's up?
beef chicken.
And of course, rice.
So, what? Going back to your advice, where are we?
Is this a love advice? So, for those who really wanted to be in a relationship, kasi Valentine na nga naman, no? So, what I can say is, enjoy your season. Like, what's happening? If you don't have date, that's fine. You can actually invite your friends over, or
Cook for your family.
spend time with your family.
I have a lot of dishes, recipes there. Just click one of them. You'll like it for the Valentine.
And of course,
Oh, that's burrito. Let's show them. Burrito. Can I see?
love will come your way in your most unexpected time, right? All you have to do is
Look what I did.
cook. Is to be the best version of yourself. Diba? Not for your partner, your future partner, but for God. And don't be afraid to meet people, meet new friends. Yun yan.
But this is your favorite.
What's that?
Quesadilla. Quesadilla. Social quesadilla.
Nakakasensado. I want that. That's my favorite. This is my favorite. So, Mine na lang, mine. Any miners?
Chicken taco.
3, 2, 1. Message na lang. Sakit na ng tiyan ko. I think I need more biofeed. Kailangan nating mailabas iten.
Daming sponsor ah.
Yeah.
So,
Sulit naman.
madami pa din. But we're gonna take this home for breakfast tomorrow. We're gonna do a raffle. We're gonna spin the wheel. Pag nag-comment, if you comment, kung Guinness Kitchen goes to Taco Bell, and then you can bring 5 of your friends, and then we'll order one for each. Got this one, Choco. I forgot. I'll just put the name on the screen, but this is chocolate, like this.
I can't finish the burrito. You want to help me? You want to help us? Mom.
So yeah, this is the end of the video. I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.
Comment! Don't forget to comment.
Bye. We'll enjoy the rest of this.
I love